In today's video, we are talking with Mr. AJ Simmons, the GOAT of cleaning, and we are here to discuss the Clean Biz Network event in 2024. Now, I already told you guys, every time there is a cleaning event worth noting, I am going to be sharing it with the community because there is so much value in networking and attending events like this. So welcome everybody, Mr. AJ Simmons.
Hey, what's up, Carolyn? Appreciate you for having me back.
Of course, of course. I told the cleaning community I'm going to be on top of letting everybody know about the events that are going on, especially ones that I think, could make a really big impact on their lives and in their cleaning business. And, I was blessed to be able to attend your last event in Jacksonville. That was just a couple of months ago, and it was amazing. It was great. We had a lot of people show up and a lot of keynote speakers. And I left there with a lot of value, and so did a lot of the other cleaning business owners that attended. So I definitely wanted to just put everybody or keep everybody in the loop about the event that is going to be happening at the end of February, beginning of March. So tell us, where are we going to be visiting, or where are we going to be traveling to for this event?
Yeah, so we'll be at the JW Marriott Resort and Spa in Las Vegas, Nevada. Excited you came and saw the space with me as well. Beautiful, beautiful place, and I can't wait to get there.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, we did. We actually had the opportunity to go check out the venue, and it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's in an amazing area right near the strip, so it's going to be a lot of fun. And what are the dates on the event? Because I have a lot of people asking me.
Yep, so it'll be February 28th through March 1st. On the 28th, we'll start at 10 a.m. So you definitely want to arrive the day before, or if not, you better get there early that morning. But we'll start at 10 a.m. on the February 28th, and then we'll end on March 1st.
Awesome. You heard it. If you guys are going to be flying in on the 28th, make sure it's an early flight. If you can, if your schedule allows it, like AJ said, try to get there a day early. It is Las Vegas. I'm sure you guys are going to want to, go walk the strip, enjoy yourselves before the event starts. And
And we
as you
made sure that
mentioned,
we definitely, oh, I'm sorry. And we
no,
made
go ahead, go
sure that
ahead.
we definitely left we made sure we definitely left the weekend open, so you guys can enjoy Vegas while you're there as well. So the conference is actually held on a Wednesday, a Thursday, and then an early release on that Friday, so you can get the full Vegas effect, while also get some education in there as well.
For sure. That's awesome. That was genius for you to plan it like that. That way people can extend their trip, by a day or two. That way they can go ahead and enjoy everything that Vegas has to offer. So it is at a new spot, which I'm very excited for. Can you tell us a little bit about what's going to be happening at the Clean Biz Network event for those who have not yet been able to attend, or maybe this is the first time that they're hearing about Clean Biz Network conference?
Yeah, for sure. So it's going to be, all of the big names that you see, like Carolyn, right? And some of the other influencers in the cleaning business space will definitely be in the building. You'll get a chance to kind of meet and greet with us in person. Lots of gems are going to be dropped, and you'll be able to pick our brains in a way that you just can't do, on the internet. Once you can get somebody in person and really shake their hands and look them in the eye, it goes a much longer way. And so we'll have big names there. I mean, from Carolyn to Mila, the housekeeper, to what is the guy's name up there in Detroit? What's his name?
I saw Mario Kelly,
Yeah, Mario Kelly will be there. Y'all know he specializes in like stadiums and bigger buildings. We'll have
Miss Katrina.
Miss Katrina Johnson from Tenacity Clean, and as well as Miss Tamika from Tenacity Clean. Who else we got? Uh, Raylyn Dunlap from the Hustle Network. She's killing it on YouTube as well. And so
I'm
many. I
excited
mean,
to
I can
meet
go
her.
right. I can go on and on about the big names that'll be there. But I mean, every day it'll be some action packed. We'll have on day one. We'll have a host of speakers, and then we'll serve dinner as well, and be nice and formal, so you can get dressed up and put on your A1. And then we'll do the same thing on the second day. So the first half is like it's gonna be two halves on those first 2 days. So First half, you're gonna rep your brand, wear your logo shirt, look like you're basically about to go to a walkthrough, right? Then we're gonna take a lunch break. Everybody go do your thing, and you come back, and then we'll be in our nice formal attire. We're gonna do awards. We're gonna do our clubhouse live. So you guys know that Carolyn and myself, Mila, Brandon Orr, and Tony Williams, we all come together on Clubhouse, and we do a just free game pretty much. We just give away the knowledge that we have to share. And so we're just going to do that live in person as well, so you don't want to miss that. And then on that third day, we're going to do some interactive activities with a lot of different experts from different industries, and I'm going to be announcing those as well real soon.
That's really exciting. I've seen some of the lineup, and you guys make sure to check out the link in the description of this video. It's going to have all the information for you. We'll have the dates listed out, the times. There's going to be more info on the lineup that AJ has, which is tremendous. I mean, you're really putting it all in here. I saw the lineup. I'm like, wow, like you've got some amazing speakers there. There are going to be a lot of nuggets, a lot of value. And this event, I want to say, is for anyone that is thinking of starting a cleaning business or has been in the cleaning industry, whether it's 1 year, 10 years. There's absolutely going to be a lot of key takeaways no matter what level you're at. And something else that is, really important to note is that at these types of events, like AJ said, these are some people that you might have seen on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, that you wouldn't otherwise have the opportunity to meet and greet with, as well as other cleaning companies in the industry that are doing great, right? So you are able to meet other cleaning business owners, network together, and potentially form partnerships. Um, these types of events have been really important for my business and my personal growth. I have met, long-term friends. I have met mentors. I've actually met AJ the very first time at a cleaning event. So, going into these events might sometimes feel a little bit uncomfortable because we're getting out of our comfort zone, right? We might not have that support from our family. We might not have that support from our friends, or we might not have any business owner friends in general. So this is a great opportunity not only to be able to partner with other companies, but to build these lifelong relationships with other cleaning businesses. We firmly believe in the power of working together and coming together to help each other grow. So this is an opportunity for you guys, like I said, to learn a lot about the industry, network with one another, and meet people you otherwise wouldn't have the chance to meet. We were at the Clean Biz Network event in Florida, and it was a complete success. And I am super, super, super excited to see, how awesome this event is going to be in Las Vegas. Also, I know AJ, correct me if I'm wrong, you are also offering through your website for those that maybe, money is tight, uh, a payment options. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. And so I actually forgot that that was there until I saw you mention it the other day, and I was like, oh, I forgot that is an option. So I'm selling the tickets through Shopify, and so natively Shopify actually offers a payment plan option through ShopPay. So if you are in a position where you feel like you want to come, but you just don't want to, pay the $4.99 up front, then definitely use that option, and you can make payments in installments, and that way you also have a little bit money left over. Maybe you want to have something to spend or put towards your flight or your hotel room. And we do have group rates on the hotel rooms as well, so that should give you a little discount as well.
Awesome, because that was going to be my next question. Great, you already hit that point. So there are group discounts for hotels, and there are payment options on his Shopify site. If you don't want to pay for the ticket 100% upfront, you can do installments. We definitely
Absolutely.
cannot wait to see you guys there. Again, what are the dates one more time, AJ?
Yep, it'll be February the 28th through March 1st, 2024. And by the way, for those wondering how do you access the discount on the rooms, the link will be on that thank you page after you buy your ticket. So make sure that after you purchase your ticket, don't just click off. Make sure that you actually wait for the page to load up fully and click the link so that way you can book your room at that discounted rate.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for all the information, and thank you for putting this together. I know that a lot of work and time and effort goes into putting together such an event. So, thank you and Regina, of course, together and putting the time and effort into having such an amazing event.
Absolutely. Thank you for that, and thank you for all your help. Because I mean, like people like you definitely help us to keep pushing and moving it forward for sure.
Oh, you're welcome. I like to share anything that I found valuable, and definitely CBN has been, pivotal for me and many other people. Please be sure to check out the information in the description of this video. This is something that you do not want to miss out on. Okay, we had such a great time in Jacksonville, and we are looking forward to seeing you guys in Las Vegas. That's going to be a whole different a whole different set of events. So we're looking
Yeah.
forward to that
Yeah,
for
definitely
sure.
pull up, y'all. And for all of y'all that was complaining in 2022 and 2023 saying, why can't it be on the West Coast? You're too far. Here we are. So pull up. Make sure you meet us there.
That's right. West Coast better be in the house because the East Coast is coming to you guys. So let's make it
Absolutely.
happen, you guys.
Let's
Thank you
do
so
it.
much. And again, please be sure to check out the link in my bio. Let's get these tickets purchased so that we can see you guys in Las Vegas.